Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divakaran, Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the palmistry. Our hand has all the rashis in our hand. That's Malsyo Gedi Mrudano Chabi Naresho Jangano Magaro Murgasya Tavuli Sasya Plavaja Kanya Shashaka So Nama Sadarasha. Here the Mean Rashi and here the Midun Rashi and Adavan Rashi and Madan Rashi. Here the Chingan Rashi and the Karkada Rashi, this Kanya Rashi and Tula Rashi and that Rashi and this similarly all Rashis are here. So here the Venus Rashi was Shukra, here the Moon was Chandran, here Mars Chuva, here Buddhan Mercury, here Sun Suryan, here Shani Saturn, here Jupiter Vyayam, here Ketu, and here Chuva. These are our planetary positions. Then the Mandalam. What are the different types of palms? Some palms are lengthy, some are square, some are trapezial, something like that. The important lines on hands, the main lines on the line of life, it refers to the health and vitality of the person, and it has a psychological significance. This is the first line to develop in embryonic life, and most likely it does not after during the life. The design, length, depth and continuity of this line reveals the quality of the person's vitality. Number 2, the lines of the head. It crosses through the centers of the hand. It is connected with the intelligence of the person. The line of the heart, Hridaya Rekha. It runs in the hand from the base of the foremound beneath the finger and is parallel to the line of head. The above 3 lines are generally present in almost all hands, with a very few exemptions. Sometimes we find one line across the hand, which may be the combination of the line of head and the line of heart. These lines usually start from the region of the mound of the Jupiter, and they exhibit the basic principles, namely spiritual, the moral and the physical. The line of fate, it starts from the waist and goes up in the hand towards the mound of Saturn. This line is less stable on the hand. It has psychological significance and it shows sociability. The line of Sun, it rises from the plane of Mars and goes towards to the mound of Sun. The line of Mercury, it starts from the mound of Neptune and goes towards the mound of Mercury. This line is Hridaya Rekha or heart line. This line is the Ayur line, and similarly the lines are goes. The above 3 lines can be called to be the supporting lines to the 3 main lines, namely the name of the life, the line of head and the line of heart. The line of fate shows the sorrows or satisfaction of the person. The line of sun denotes the brighter attitude towards life, and the line of Mercury shows a life in which there is understanding of others. The, the eight secondary lines, the lines of Mars, it rises on the mound of lower Mars inside the line of life. It gives additional strength to the line of the life. It is also called the double line of life. The girdle of Venus. This line is generally found above the line of heart and starting between the fingers of Jupiter and Saturn. It goes towards the mound of Mercury and it terminates between the fingers of Sun and Mercury. The Via Lasvia. This line is parallel to the line of Mercury and shows a susceptibility of the indulgence in sensual pleasure. The line of marriage, it is the horizontal line on the mound of Mercury here. It is found almost on the hands with very few exemptions. It shows matrimonial relationship and abilities to live in sex relationship. The line of children, it is seen in the line of marriage and also elsewhere on the hand. Primarily, this line shows the generating capacity of the person. The line of intuition, the line extends like a semicircle from the mound of the moon towards the mound of Mercury. The line of travel, it is found on the mound of moon. The three bracelets are found on the west. They are related to the longevity. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with the other subject.